Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings, and right here, we're gonna go over to connected devices. So as you guys can see, I have my AirPods right here that are connected. And what we want to do is we want to go to connection preferences, go to Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth and turn it on again. Now, if this does not fix the issue, what you guys want to do is go back to connected devices, click on the gear icon right here, click forget and click forget device. Now here I've got the AirPods. What we're going to do now is we're going to simply double tap it to start pairing again. And now we're gonna repair them. So let's go to connection preferences, Bluetooth, pair new device, and the switch is blue here, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna choose them, and I'll allow the access to contact and call history, and you've heard the sound. Now they are connected without any issues. But if your headphones are still not connecting, what you guys want to do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So I don't need to restart the AirPods because I know for a fact they're working. But for the phone, we're gonna hold the power button only. And now tap restart and press OK. So now the entire phone is restarting. And I'll see you guys once it restarts. Now, after the device restart, what you guys can do is simply, let me unlock it, simply go over and check the settings again. So this way you should be able to see if the device is connected. So we can go here, and let's pair it again. And it should appear any second right here. So we're gonna pair them again. This is all fine repair, and they're here, so everything works. But if it's not working for you, there's the last solution that you can try is simply by going into the main page of the settings, scrolling down and going to system. Now here you guys will go to system updates and check for software updates. So you can click this button to make sure that you're on the latest version, and it should check for update. Then it should say either that it's up to the latest version or that you need to update. So both outcomes are okay. All you have to do in the second one is update your software to make sure that you fix any glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.